Making smart choices, understanding within one's budget. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase for anyone who's managing their finances or planning their spending. Within one's budget. This phrase is a key part of financial vocabulary and can help you make informed decisions about your spending. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily life. Within one's budget refers to the idea of staying within the limits of the amount of money one has planned to spend. The word within suggests inside or not going beyond, while budget is a plan for both income and expenditure over a specific period. When something is within your budget, it means it does not exceed the amount of money you've allocated for spending. Staying within your budget is crucial for several reasons. It helps you avoid debt, save money for future needs, and live within your means. Understanding and practicing this concept can lead to healthier financial habits and peace of mind. It's not just about restriction. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. To make this concept clearer, let's look at some practical examples. Scenario 1. You're shopping for a new laptop. The one you like costs $800, but your budget for a laptop is $700. If you decide to buy a laptop that costs $700 or less, you are staying within your budget. Scenario 2. Planning a vacation? If your total budget for the trip is $2,000, choosing a travel package that costs $1,950 means you're keeping your expenses within your budget. These examples show how choosing options that do not exceed your planned spending can help you manage your finances effectively. Here are some tips to help you stay within your budget. 1. Track your spending. Keep an eye on your expenses to ensure you're not going over your budget. 2. Prioritize your needs. Understand what's essential and allocate your budget accordingly. 3. Look for alternatives. If something is beyond your budget, look for cheaper alternatives that still meet your needs. 4. Plan for unexpected expenses. Set aside a portion of your budget for unexpected costs to avoid overspending. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of within one's budget and why it's such an important concept in managing your finances. Remember, staying within your budget is not about limiting yourself. It's about making choices that ensure financial security and freedom. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay smart with your spending, and see you in the next video.